Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make and decorate the cake. That's the Barbie doll is the topper of this. They call this doll cake. So I wrap the doll with the cellophane so that I can use this later to put inside the cake and it's not be directly to the doll. So we will just decorate and we will start to cover the cake with icing first. This is chocolate cake, moist cake with buttercream frosting I'm using, and just watch the full video of what I'm doing decorating this cake. I put the second layer of this cake and I will just put frosting in the middle, and then I will put the other half, this one, and I will put a down. This will be the cake will not collapse. After you put dowel, form like triangle so that it will support your second layer of the cake. So after this one, you will just cut its form like body for the doll. So I started cutting the side of the cake to form with the body of the doll. Then I'm using the cake that I got. I will use it to form like continuation for the body of this doll. So I will use this crumb of this cake. I will mix with buttercream and it will form like this of this bowl so that I can put on the top of this cake. So we will just continue decorating this one and keep watching, guys. Watch full the video. This is the first cake, doll cake that I'm making. But this is only my idea on how I will do this decoration for this doll cake. Before this one, we will just put cling wrap on the other bowl that I will transfer here the crumb that I'm mixing with the buttercream, so that when we flip this bowl, it's easy for us to remove the cling wrap and it will not stick on the bowl. I will just press it down so that it will be like hard enough, and I will just put this on the fridge for 10 minutes so that it will hard and it will not it's not difficult for me to put on the top of my cake. Make sure that the top of this cake or this crumb it's level so that when you put this down it's labeled the cake. So here's the cake now. So I will just put a little buttercream on the side so that it's easy for me to do the final decoration later, or make the final frosting for this cake. So we'll just cover little only because we will have a final frosting layer. So we will just put this crumb of the cake that I made a while ago. So I just pull it out the bowl, and yes, it's perfect. So it's just, this is only my idea on making. This is the first time I'm doing this doll cake, but I try my best to make this perfect. We'll just continue decorating this one until we finish. And while using this frosting, you can balance the shape of your cake. If it's a level already, it's not cracking on the side of this cake, so just add more frosting. It's up to you what you can see to make it perfect like this. So, and we will just put this layer on the fridge once we done putting the doll here. So I already wrap with a cling wrap the legs of this one so that the cake will not go directly to the legs of this plastic doll. So we'll just make sure that it's level, and so I will just put this one in the fridge. So the picture that the customer sent it to me is look like this. So she want me to copy this one. So we will start decorating this cake. So I had already the buttercream, which is color pink here. So we will start and do the final decoration for this one. The customer picture she sent is not tube type of the dress of the doll, so she requested that it should be tube. So we will just follow what she requested. So we will just make a dress for this doll.
So we're almost done for this one, so we'll just put a little decoration on the dress, then we'll almost finish. So we're all done for the decoration, guys. So we just let our hands fully down. So if this is the final decoration for this doll cake that she ordered, a Barbie doll cake. So it's turned out so pretty, and I'm happy for the result of this one. First time I'm doing. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit likes and comments.